Hey y'all, welcome to Summer Moon Garden. I'm Lauren, and I want to welcome all of the new viewers and new subscribers to my channel. I am so glad you're here. I just want to give you a little insight into what my gardening channel is all about. This space is a little corner of the world where we slow down together, where the roses open in their own time, where garden tells stories, and where beauty still feels sacred and alive. I also love teaching on how to grow roses and bringing you along with me as I create the most magical garden my imagination can provide. If you're someone who loves flowers, old garden paths, quiet magic, the peaceful feeling of being close to nature, then you belong here. My hope is that these videos can bring a sense of calm to your day and a little inspiration for your own garden and your own life. And maybe even a little reminder that there is still wonder all around us if we just take a moment to notice. Here you'll find roses, seasonal garden walks, creative gardening tips, and glimpses of the whimsical spaces that I am building, like the Moongate garden and the moss-covered fairy doors tucked between the trees. I love this type of gardening. It's my absolute favorite. So if that sounds like something that your heart has been looking for, I would love for you to subscribe and walk this path with me. I truly believe gardens can heal us, inspire us, and reconnect us with something deeper and more beautiful than we can sometimes remember. So don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I don't want you to miss my grand garden tour of roses coming up. And if you live in the area and would like to attend the open garden tour this weekend on April 25th from 11 to 2, please send me a private message on Instagram or on Facebook, and I will be more than happy to give you more information on how to get here. Thank you guys so much for being here, and I appreciate your support always. Y'all mean the world to me, and I love you so very much. Thank you so much.